Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to hack Android games like money, coins, gems. Okay, with the game Guardian. If you guys haven't followed me on Instagram, please do follow me. Anyway, you can install any game like I'm taking example of hill climbing, and then you install game Guardian. I will post the link in the description. You can also see on the screen. Now I'm using it as a root method. Okay, root is some kind of admin access in Android. If you don't know about it. Okay, if you use it without root, then you have to install Game Guardian in the virtual environment, kind of a sandbox. Okay, the description in the tutorial is kind of already on their site. Anyway, install this. Now on install, it will change the package name just to hide it from the games to kind of a random package name. Package name is kind of identity. Anyway, we run it. Okay, we run the I always use SW, which is software. You can use hardware as well. So it just create two icons, use anyone, and then launch the game. We select the game in the game Guardian. Okay, I agree. This is same kind of cheat engine on a PC. Same thing, hacking memories for values. Okay, so we have 0 coin, 0 gem, so we will start any random game. So now we got 35 coins, 1 gem. I'm gonna stop it and click on Game Guardian and research the value. Now you click the magnifying glass there and search 35 and new search. Okay, so we got a lot of results, so we need to narrow it down. Okay, so now we have 215 coins. So what I'm gonna do is we refine it. We still have some, so let's narrow it down. So we got a 360 now. I'm gonna refine it again. You can delete the ones if we don't need, or you can again click on that edit in the search icon and 360 and refine. Okay, so now we got some good amount of results and 7-8 results. So what we will do is mostly the results, these values are actually in the D word. Okay, it's not a word, it's not a byte, it's usually a D word. So we will change the D word values to 9999. Okay, now it depends on the game as well. So okay, now you can see we got 99 of coins, so we can tune up, do whatever we want to do. So I will tune up to the maximum value. We have kind of unlimited amount of money, right? Okay, so after doing it all, let's buy some vehicles. We can also buy stages, kind of missions, right? Okay, so still feeling like Elon Musk here. Anyway, stage, unlock anything. Now what I'm gonna do is, let's say we want to modify the gems as well. Okay, we will start the game. Now we will search one and click it as a new search, not the refine. Refine will use the old search, which was a coin, but we will use as a new search. So now we got 2 gems. We will again go and put 2 and refine. It's kind of the same steps we used for coins. Okay, so now we got 2 gems. Now we got a 3 gems. The value is changed. We will type 3 and refine. We still have 120 results. We need to narrow it down. So for that I'm gonna restart game again, because 120 results are a lot. It can crash the game if we try to modify. Okay, let's narrow it down. I will try to get 2 gems now. 4, 5, 5. Okay, now I'm gonna change and refine it. Okay, now we got the 4 results. Okay, that's good. Now we will again change the D word. No byte, no Q word, no word, just D word. Okay, so now it's a 5. Don't worry, once we get a new gem, the value will refresh, but the memory has a new value. Okay, so after 999, we got a 1 gem. It's kind of 100, a lot of zeros. Okay, if you want to complete the game, you can complete the game, or if you want to exit the game, you can exit the game. It doesn't matter. And this value is actually saved in the game now, because once you exit the game, or you know uh, the game will save the value in kind of a files, whether it's encrypted or no. It will save the value from the memory to the file, so it will stay like this. No need to run the game guardian again. The value will stay this whenever you launch the game. So hope you guys like it. If you want more videos like this, please do subscribe to my channel. And yes, as we have unlimited amount of gems, we can go to the shop, we can buy anything we want. Anything means anything. I hope we had some kind of a cheat engine, this kind of things in the real life, so we would have changed values to unlimited. Anyway, this is it. Alright, bye everything. There you go. Hope you guys like it. See you in the next video. Have a good one. Take care.